In bird dog, we're gonna come down on our quadruped position where we have our wrist right underneath our shoulders and our knees right underneath our hips. Our abs are pulled up tight, our toes are tucked, so we've achieved a nice square underneath here with a flat back. You're gonna extend one arm and kick back the opposite leg, keeping everything parallel to the floor. Hover back and kick. Then you'll switch and get the other side.